Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Jamaica's Easter bun. Knowing that it's almost Easter, I'm going to show you how I make the bun. So here I have my pot. I'm going to pour some Dragon in it. And some Guinness. So now I'm going to add some Redlable wine to a pot, and this is optional. You don't have to use it. I just really like the flavor of it. You're going to need some browning for color, just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon. That. And this is the brand that I use. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of jam. I'm using guava jam. As well as I will be adding Welch's grape jam, so I'll be using a teaspoon of each. Good. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. 1, 2. This butter is taking forever to get off the spoon. We're just going to put this on a medium heat. Also going to add our sugar. And I'm just going to melt this and come back. So I'm just going to now add all my dry ingredients to my flour, but I'm actually going to sieve it in. And now I'm just going to give that a mix like this. So for the raisins, I actually soak my raisins in rum and wine, and I'm going to be adding them into the flour now. You want to coat them in flour so they do not sink to the bottom of the bun. Like this. Coating them in flour prevents them from sinking to the bottom. So now I'm going to preheat my oven at 350 degrees I'm going to bake this for. One more tip, you want to let the mixture, the liquid, cool down before you put in your 1 egg, because if it's hot and you put your eggs in the mixture, it's going to come out like scrambled eggs. Okay, so now I'm going to gradually add my wet to my dry. Cut and fold. Smell wonderful, guys. I hope you try this recipe at home. If you have a hand mixer, you can use it. You don't have to be here mixing with a spatula. I'm going to now give this a taste to see if everything is good. This is what your mixture should look like. Like that. Remember to clean the sides, because sometimes some flour, or should I say the dry ingredients, is not mixed out properly. You want to look if everything has mixed out properly. So here I've already greased my baking dish. So I'm now going to pour my bun mixture. So here I have a couple extra raisins. I'm going to dust them in some flour and sprinkle them on the top of my bun. So now this bad boy is ready for the oven. See you in a jiffy. Hi guys, welcome back. Our bun is finally finished. I actually went ahead and glazed my bun with the mixture that I had poured in the bun, which is this. So when you're making the glaze, you can just use some of the mixture that you already use, or you can just use honey and water. Let the honey and water come to a boil, and then you simply just brush it over the bun like this. While this bun is still a bit hot, I'm going to leave it to cool and then come back, slice it up for you guys with some cheese so you can see how it looks. Okay, soon come back. Hi guys, so I didn't show you how the inside of the bun looks, but this is how it looks. So there you have it guys, my Easter bun / spice bun. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!